Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we'll clearly understand what exactly is a histogram in a brief manner, plus how do we find out or how do we get the histogram plotted for an input image. That's what we are going to see, and it's going to be pretty easy as well as interesting for you right now. It's very simple. Let's understand what a histogram is first. Histogram gives you an overall idea about the intensity distribution for an image. I give an image, the image has got BGR, I mean RGB, how much R, how much G, how much B is all there as intensity in terms of intensity in that image is what is going to be given to you as histogram. It is simply a plot. The plot which will tell you how much R, how much G, how much B is there, RGB is there in that image. That's it, and it can be plotted easily with the code I'm going to show you right now. As usual, we need to go ahead with the fundamental imports that we do regularly, and we need to import numpy, cv2, and we need matplotlib. If you have not imported it, I mean installed it already in your system, please go ahead and install it with pip install matplotlib. And we are going to go ahead with the code right away. cv2.imread flower.jpg. The regular image, the traditional image that I take for the entire series is this flower because it has got a beautiful combo of RGB, and we are going to plot the histogram for this. Now, imread flower.jpg is done, and what are the colors available? We take BGR, which is nothing but RGB. Now we need to plot the RGB for this image as a histogram. For I call in enumerate color, for each color we will take one by one and we pass it to calc hist, and image I is nothing but first it would be B, and none is what is that none specifying about? It is the mask. I do not want any mask here. I mean I want to find out the histogram for the complete image, so I will plot mask as none. Now what is next? 256. It is nothing but the bin count. The bin size is 256. And then accumulate. What is it? It is nothing but the range. We have the range from 0 to 256, and that's all, with which we can plot the histogram with plt.plot. We are running this code right now, and you will see how exactly we are getting the output. I'll go through the code once again if needed, and I'll explain you that as well. You can see the histogram plotter nicely for RGB. Now, if you want only for B or R or G, can we plot histogram like that? Yes, we can do that. Now the color is only B. Let's see, we get only the blue histogram available. The intensity spread for blue alone is presented there. Now we are going to see for all the three. Yeah, let's see for B and G alone right now, and we'll see if we are getting the output. Yes, you got the plot clearly, and that's it. This is how you get the spread. I mean the intensity spread for all the colors can be easily understood through the histogram, and that's what I tried teaching you in this session. Remember, we use a method called calchist, and it accepts input image as the first argument. The second argument is nothing but the color, the BGR. Whatever you use there in the color will come in as the second argument, and the third argument is going to be the mask, where I do not use any mask because I want the histogram for the complete image, and it is none. And then the bins, we need to specify the bins clearly, and it is 256. Followed by that, we need to specify the range as 0 to 256, and that's it. Once you do that, you are all done, and you will get the beautiful histogram generated in front of you like what you are getting right now. This is one of the very important learnings that you need to go ahead with image processing. And if you cannot understand, or if you have any queries in this, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it. Thank you very much for following my channel and content. Thank you.